My response to that is absolutely yes. And if you went into court by yourself on a DUI, the judge would say, look, these are complicated cases. It takes an experienced lawyer who knows what they're doing to defend these cases, to defend your constitutional rights, and you should have a lawyer in Marin County or anywhere else in Northern California or the San Francisco Bay Area if you blew at or over a .08 and are charged with a DUI, drunk driving. DUIs can affect your employment, your credit, your insurance. They can affect so many different things. The ability to get insured or just the amount that insurance goes up. It's prohibitive. This stuff stays on your record for a long time. There are immigration issues with Canada or I should say, not immigration, but entry issues. If you want to go up there for vacation or just passing through there, you got to get there to take a cruise to Alaska. You can get denied. You can get turned around. It can mess up your whole vacation if you have a DUI conviction in Marin County or anywhere else in actually the United States. So what a DUI lawyer also can do is they can fight your DMV, Department of Motor Vehicles, administrative per se hearing, also known as your DMV hearing. This is something that a public defender cannot do, and you're not going to be able to have much success on your own with it. We have 10 days from the date of arrest to request that hearing. We do it for our clients so they can get a hold of us in time. And what that does is that keeps your license from going into suspended 30 days after your arrest. We can keep people driving for many months, sometimes years, while we're fighting their case in court and at DMV. And so your life is not interrupted. And only if you did get convicted of a regular DUI or not win the DMV hearing would there be any suspension, which can be which can be dealt with within a restricted license, with an ignition interlock or a work restricted license. And what we can do, especially with those interlocks, is try and time it because you have a court case and you have a DMV case. And we can time it so that those things start at the same time if there are suspensions, because there's two separate suspensions, and make it so hopefully you would only have to go to DMV one time. Doesn't always work out, but we can try and do that so that you're not down without a license for very long. I mean, hopefully a day or two at most. What happens when you have a lawyer who doesn't do a lot of DUI or doesn't do mainly DUI work, or if you have a public defender, you can end up getting suspended and it ends up being longer periods of time because you're not meeting deadlines or doing things in a timely manner. We walk you through everything, and we help you keep driving and then get back on the road as soon as possible. We have referrals for insurance and ignition interlock companies, and we know the ones that tend to have much better customer service and not make our clients run around and have to keep going back to DMV because the paperwork is all messed up. There's so many different reasons to have a DUI lawyer. First and foremost, it's your best chance to get the best results with your case. And if you don't have a DUI lawyer, if you just go in there and say, I'm guilty, punish me, whatever, you will probably wonder for the rest of your life, hey, maybe I could have gotten a better result. Hey, maybe my life would have been better if I'd gotten a better result than going in myself and doing that. So it's worth an investment now because we're talking about the rest of your life. And we do a free consultation. You don't have to hire anyone. You don't have to hire us. Anybody arrested for DUI in Marin County, anybody who blows or has a blood test over a .08, give us a call. We're experienced DUI lawyers, and we get results.